Dear Sherry, I recently completed your online cannabis cooking course and I learned a whole lot. Thank you so much. Yay, I love hearing that. My question is, since I now know how to make edibles and I've been making some great edibles, I thought it'd be a good idea to make some for holiday gifts for friends and family members who use cannabis. Do you have any gift-worthy cannabis recipes? Thanks. I love that question. And yes, I have lots and lots of gift-worthy cannabis recipes. And if you know how to make edibles or even topicals, making them for gifts is a great idea. Before I go into details, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And please do me a huge favor, hit that like button too if you get value out of my videos. Okay, do I have recipes that are gift-worthy? Yes. I have hundreds and hundreds of tested cannabis recipes on my website, but I have one whole section that's dedicated to gift-worthy recipes. So what does that mean? It means that they're easy to transport or wrap and give to somebody as a gift, and prepare to be very popular, because I've heard from students of my cooking course and also my topicals course over the years and my gummy course that they have done this and they've saved a lot of money making cannabis gifts for the cannabis lovers in their life, and those people love those gifts so much that now they expect them every year. So that's probably what you're going to be getting yourself into if you decide to make these gifts, because they're very popular. They're the gifts cannabis lovers really want, but that Santa never brings. So you can bring them. If you're enrolled in any of my courses, you know how to make edibles or how to make topicals or gummies. There are lots of edibles recipes and a few topicals recipes on my website, and if you're enrolled in the courses, of course, you got lots of others. And if you're not enrolled in the courses, I'm going to put a coupon code below for anybody else who wants to get in on the fun and make some holiday gifts of edibles and cannabis topicals. And you know what? They're great for you too, so you don't have to give them all away. But yes, homemade edibles and topicals and gummies, they make great holiday gifts for those in your life that love cannabis. Now, I am going to put in one caveat: the legality of this. That's going to change depending on where you live. So check it out in order to stay safe and compliant, or exercise discretion as needed. Now, in most states that have legalized cannabis, and I don't know everyone, so check it out, it's legal for one adult to gift another with cannabis or edibles or things like that. But those rules really vary a lot from state to state until everything is legalized. That's what we're dealing with. So check it out where you live before gifting cannabis. But yes, lots of great cannabis gifts can be made, and there'll be links in the comments below where you can find those recipes. See you all next time. Happy holidays, everybody, and eat your weed.